Clark the Shark. I guess it's like video 3. There goes an orb in the kitchen. I saw that in real time. And with the app. And there's a ghost. This is what it looks like with the lights, plural, on. Where are the ghosts? Do you guys think that's a ghost down there on the corner? Email me at clayhagen@aol.com. So many people say it's a false positive. On the corner. Here, wave to me, bro. Wave to me. You on the corner, wave to me. Put your hand up and wave if you're real. He's asking me to back up. I'm far away from him. Wave, bro.